Ever felt like you're standing at the edge of a digital goldmine, but you can't quite figure out how to dig? Like you've got this burning desire to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, maybe trade a little, maybe just hold some for the future, but you're stuck on the very first step? You know, that moment when you need to find your wallet address, that crucial string of characters that's basically your digital bank account number? Yeah, we've all been there. It's like trying to find the secret entrance to a hidden level in a video game, except the stakes are real, and the potential rewards are, well, potentially life-changing. You've heard about Kraken, a reputable exchange, a gateway to a universe of digital assets. You've signed up, you're ready to go, but where's that darn wallet address? See, the beauty of crypto, and the slight frustration for newcomers, is that it's a decentralized world. There's no central bank, no customer service hotline to call when you're stuck. It's you, your computer, and a whole lot of alphanumeric characters. And if you mess up, well, let's just say the digital world isn't always forgiving. But don't worry, you're not alone. This isn't some ancient riddle designed to keep you out of the crypto kingdom. It's a simple process, once you know the steps. And today, we're going to demystify it, break it down, and get you that Kraken wallet address so you can finally start exploring the world of digital assets with confidence. Think of your wallet address as your public key. It's what you give to others when you want them to send you cryptocurrency. It's like your email address, but for digital money. And just like you wouldn't give out your email password, you'll want to keep your private keys, which are used to access and manage your funds, safe and secure. Now, let's dive into the Kraken platform. We're going to walk through this step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to log into your Kraken account. If you haven't already created one, you'll need to do that first. Just head to kraken.com and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. It can look a little overwhelming at first, with all the charts and numbers, but don't panic. We're going to focus on the essentials. Look for the Funding tab. It's usually located near the top of the screen. Click on it. This is where you'll manage your deposits and withdrawals. Now, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. You need to select the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if you want to receive Bitcoin, you'll select BTC. If you want to receive Ethereum, you'll select ETH. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, you'll see a Deposit button. Click on that. This will take you to the deposit page for that specific cryptocurrency. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see your wallet address. It's a long string of characters, like this. 1BVBMSUST504M4GFG7XJNVN2. This is an example, don't use this one. This is your public key. This is what you'll give to people who want to send you Bitcoin, or whatever cryptocurrency you selected. Now, here's a crucial point, always double-check the address. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. If you send funds to the wrong address, they're gone. So, take your time, make sure you've copied the address correctly. You can usually copy the address by clicking a Copy button next to it. Don't try to type it out manually, as that increases the risk of errors. Some cryptocurrencies also use QR codes. You can scan the QR code with your mobile wallet app to automatically copy the address. This is often the easiest and safest way to do it. Now, let's talk about network selection. This is a critical step that many beginners overlook. Different cryptocurrencies can use different networks, and you need to make sure you're using the correct one. For example, Bitcoin uses the Bitcoin network. Ethereum uses the Ethereum network. And some cryptocurrencies, like USDT, can use multiple networks, such as Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, and others. If you send funds using the wrong network, they could be lost. So, pay close attention to the network selection. Kraken will usually display the correct network for the cryptocurrency you've selected, but it's always good to double-check. Once you've copied the correct address and selected the correct network, you're ready to receive your funds. Keep in mind that transactions can take some time to process. The time it takes will depend on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Bitcoin transactions, for example, can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more. You can check the status of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. This is a website that tracks all cryptocurrency transactions. Kraken will usually provide a link to the Blockchain Explorer on the deposit page. Now, let's address some common questions. What if you want to receive a different cryptocurrency? Simply repeat the steps above, selecting the desired cryptocurrency from the list. What if you want to generate a new address? Kraken will usually generate a new address for each deposit. This is a security measure that helps protect your privacy. What if you lose your wallet address? Don't worry, your funds are not lost. Your wallet address is simply a public key that's associated with your private keys. As long as you have your private keys or seed phrase, you can access your funds. And speaking of security, let's talk about best practices. Always keep your private keys and seed phrase safe and secure. Don't share them with anyone, and don't store them on your computer or phone. Consider using a hardware wallet, which is a dedicated device for storing cryptocurrency. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized access. Be wary of phishing scams. Scammers often try to trick people into giving up their private keys or sending funds to fake addresses. Always double-check the website address and be suspicious of any emails or messages that ask for your private keys. And finally, remember that cryptocurrency is a volatile market. The value of your holdings can go up or down significantly. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before investing. So, to recap, to generate your Kraken wallet address, log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Click on the Deposit button. Copy the wallet address. Double-check the address and network selection. Receive your funds. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the steps and take the necessary precautions. By following these guidelines, you can safely and securely receive cryptocurrency on your Kraken account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.